Students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and I am Prabhakar Acharya. Students, I am going to discuss here sixth part of entire Sanskrit of 10th standard Shashta Vibhaga, which is based on Apatit Gadyansha. That means unseen passage. And here unseen passage Apatit Gadyansha. Here I will discuss only the prose passage, not poetry. So it is of 4 marks. And it is clearly mentioned Gadyansam Patitva Kriti Kuruta. That means read the passage and do the exercise, do the questions which are given below. And Shadtah Chatur, that means 4 out of 6. Shadtah Chatur अर्थात षडतः 6 षट् प्रकारकाः प्रश्नाः सन्ति तेषु चतुः एव करणीयं चत्वारः प्रश्नाः एव कर, करणीयाः. So you read paragraph properly. I show you. I'm going to read and I tell you how to find the answers. So in next video again I'll discuss next passage, unseen passage, and in this way I share you unseen passage then slokas based questions. So let's start first and be ready with your pencil to mark the important words or underline. The word is here. The passage is here. एकदा चाणक्यस्य गृहे मध्यरात्रौ कश्चित् चौरः प्रविष्टः. See the timing here is मध्यरात्रौ and कस्य गृहे आर्यचाणक्यस्य गृहे. अतीव शीते कम्बलं विना आर्यचाणक्यः कटे सुप्तः आसीत्. Remember this? अतीव शीते means it was extremely cold. So किन्तु पार्श्वे तु कम्बलानां राशिः अवर्तत. कम्बलान् अपहर्तुं समागतश्चोरः चकितः. दैववशात् तदैव चाणक्यस्य निद्राभङ्गः जातः. चोरः तम् अपृच्छत्, पार्श्वे कम्बलराशिर्विद्यते, तथापि शैत्यकाले अपि भवान् भूमौ एव किमर्थं शयनं करोति? चाणक्यः उक्तवान्, कम्बलाः नृपेण दरिद्रेषु वितरणार्थं मह्यं दत्ताः. तेषाम् उपयोगे न मम अधिकारः. अन्येषां द्रव्यस्योपयोगेन अधर्मो भवति इति चाणक्यस्य विचारं ज्ञात्वा चौरः क्षमायाचनां कृत्वा निर्गतः. So here see Chanakya Uktavan, what Chanakya said, Kambalaha, that is passive sentence, the blankets were given by the king, Nupena, by the king to distribute among the poor people, among the beggar, we can say beggar or poor people. So this is the main and Twant Levantavantabhya. Just see Twa is Twantabhya form and here is one Tumantabhya form also I show you. Apahartum is Tumantabhya form. So these are the important words as well as sentences I showed you. Now see the questions. What questions are here? Here is Purna Vakyen Uttar Likhata. Uttarata or Uttar Likhata. I let me correct this sentence. उत्तरम लिखा था. इट माइट बी उत्तरता और उत्तरम लिखा था, दोनों का मीनिंग सेम ही होगा. सो उत्तरम लिखा था ना. सीधा आंसर. चौरः किम दृष्ट्वा चकितः. चौरः किम दृष्ट्वा चकितः. सो दिस इज इन द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन. आंसर इज फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर एंड वी हैव टू एडिट हियर. ये आंसर है किम दृष्ट्वा चकितः. सो यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा जस्ट अति शीते कम्बलं विना आर्यचाणक्यः कटे सुप्तः आसीत् किन्तु पार्श्वे तु कमलानां राशिः अवर्तत. कमलान् अपहर्तुं समागतः चौरः चकितः. या कमलान् अपहर्तुं सो इति दृष्ट्वा राशिः अवर्तत. Here we have to change the sentence. So इति दृष्ट्वा चौरः चकितः. So this is the answer of this Chaura Kim Drishta Chakita. So this is the answer of this. Now Pratipadikam Likhata, that means right original word. Pratipadikam is मूल शब्दम लिखता. Here is Kambalan. So the Pratipadik Shabdam Asti Kambala. Kambala is Pratipadik Shabd, that is noun-based, and here it is Asmad, means it is pronounced. So original word is it. भगवान का original शब्द है भवत. So this is सर्वनाम. So हमारा आंसर ये है, and your answer should be like this way. You just underline it and write the answer like this way. Now come to next part. वाक्यम पुनर्लिखित्वा सत्यम वा असत्यम वा इति लिखत. Rewrite the sentence and mention whether it is satyam or asatyam. So this statement is चाणक्यः कम्बलस्य उपयोगं न अकरोत्, and this is idam vakyam idam satyam vakyam satyam asti. So मैंने ये आंसर लिखा है, but I suggest don't write this big sentence. Just copy the sentence and write there satyam. So this is the answer. Now madhyam bhashaya sarlartham likhata. So it's the answer madhyam bhashaya sarlartham likhata. There is slightly mistake. Let me correct that. So the isa translation will be uh, blankets were given blankets were given to me by the king. So blankets were given to me by the king for distributing them among the poor people. So this is a translation of Kambalaha Nupena Darideshu Vitanartham Mahyam Dattaha. Now Gadyansa Tritiya Vibhaktyanta Padam Chitwa Likhata. That means find out Tritiya Vibhakti forms from the passage and write. Here it will be it is asking just one form, but if you are writing, if you get more than one form, then you must write those forms. Suppose there will be any mistakes, if by mistakenly you found wrong form, you have written wrong form over there, and if the any form is correct, then you will get the mark. So Tritiya Vyakti forms will find from here. Just see which are the Tritiya Vyakti forms. So your Tritiya Vyakti forms are Nrupena is Tritiya Vyakti form. One form is here, Nrupena. And yeah, so this is Tritiya Vyakti form, Nrupena. And I'm writing here, आपको ऐसे forms लिखना है. So this is Tritiya Vyakti form. And one form is required, so I just write this one. Now Karak Parichayam Kuruta means it is find out Karak, that is Kartane Karmpu, if you remember that, means that is Vibhakti based. So Chanakya Kate Suptaha, and Kate is in Kate Shabd is in Saptami. So I'll pick up this word, I'll write separately and then I mention so which Karak is here. Kate is in Saptami, so it is called Adhikaran Karak. It is Adhikaran Karak. Adhikaranam. Adhikaran Karakam. This is the answer of this last question. So in this video, the all questions I attempted, I showed you how to write the answer and what will the answer. So I hope you understood. आपका आंसर ऐसे लिखा होना चाहिए. मैंने यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस भी रखा है ताकि आंसर आपको दिखा सकूं. But no need to write the questions over there. Just write original question number and main question and then write answer. No need to copy questions everywhere, such as पूर्ण वाक्य उत्तरम लिखा था तो वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन कॉपी किया, पैसेज कॉपी करना जरूरी नहीं है. जस्ट राइट ऑन आंसर, राइट क्लियरली षष्ठ विभाग अपृत गद्यांश, then write question number and then start writing the answers directly. Right, I hope you understood. And in next video I'm going to share next unseen passage. Be ready to write the answers. Thank you for watching this video.